Welcome back to part 2 where we're finishing this full-on pink makeup look using the shade Cutie Wootsy and Adore You. Cutie Wootsy, which is a bright pink. I'm using this on my outer edge. There we go. There's the pink amount. So I always bring up my blush towards my forehead a little bit. And then from there, I'm going to add the shade Adore You. A shade of pink, mixing blushes together. I'm going to bring it up a little bit here. Forehead to like blend it out, and there's some blush. This look does not have enough glitter. Let's add some Glitterly Obsessed. This is in the shade Sparks. Look how stunning that is. I think I'm going to use this as a highlight and put it also right in the inner corner of my eye. Very gently though, cheekbones. Add some to the inner corner very gently. Very gently. Now that is more glittery for me. Okay, now we're going to do the under eye and the lips. I started doing the lips and then realized I didn't do the under eye. I'm going to use this shimmer here. Put this on my waterline because I love a shimmery waterline. I'm doing it very carefully. To finish the under eye, I'm going to use this shade and this shade. Take the purple shade on the outer edge of the under eye. Take this light shade here. Put it close to the inner corner of the eye. Have it blend into that dark purple, and I'm also going to have it blend out underneath that dark deep purple. Add some more purple here. Now we're on to the final step. I already applied ColourPop's Lippy Pencil in the shade Dial Up. I'm going to now use this gorgeous bright pink lip gloss in the shade Tapped. And here is the final look of the day. With this You and Me How It Felt Valentine's Day collection. Better late than ever. Full on pink moment. We love that.